Broadcasting from the heart of Dipolog City, Philippines. This is the station that plays all the hits. DXDA. Number one in new music. We are Jack FM 88.1.
We are DXDA FM, and that was another day with the number one station for new music. Thank you for keeping us on your presets. This station is an affiliate of the Subic Broadcasting Corporation. We are now signing off from terrestrial broadcast, but we'll continue to serve you through our online streaming service via www.jack881.com. Here now is the Philippine National Anthem.